Hello everyone,
Hello guys.
welcome to our podcast. Today we will talk about our hobbies, interests, and talent, and also we want to share our future career and why we choose this major, and then our first week as a freshman at Telkom University. Before we start the conversation, let me introduce ourselves first. My name is Rafali Panca with student ID 103062500119, and I'm here as a host.
Okay, my name is Ardana Prasetya. Today I'm as a guest with my student ID 103062500202.
Okay.
And my name is Fajar Melandri. With my student ID is 103062500034, and I'm here as a guest.
I am Raizan Mainaldi with student ID 103062500093. I'm here as a guest.
Okay,
Let's go.
let's do the first topic: hobby, interest, and talent. For me, I've always been into coding.
Oh, yeah, that's
All
good.
of, yes, I love getting into that deep focus when I'm coding.
Oh, that's good.
When I'm in the break, I usually hit the gym or play badminton. Also, people say I'm good at public speaking, and adapting to new vibes, which is probably why I'm hosting today. But enough about me. What about you, Ardana?
Well, when I'm not studying, I'm really interested in games like Need for Speed or Gran Turismo. They are,
Gamer. Okay, that's good.
yes, they are definitely my go-to unwinding after a long day of classes. Yes, but to keep things is balanced,
Okay.
I also make it a habit to go to jogging twice a week.
Okay. Wow.
Now it's 5K, but
Wow. 5K.
but maybe later I will try the 10K.
10K.
Yeah.
Wow.
I hope I can get it.
Amen.
But it's not just about staying physically fit. It keeps me energized and mentally sharp. I'm lucky that my environment really encourages me to maintain this healthy lifestyle.
Oh. So you play game and do exercise,
Yes.
like you have a life balance.
Yes.
Okay, that's cool.
Yes. Thank you, thank you.
What about you, Fajar?
My hobby is playing badminton.
Oh, Sam.
I often play with my friend in my free time, and my talent is playing badminton because I have played it for a long time.
Okay.
And my interest is modifying motorcycle.
Oh, wow.
I like learning how engine works.
Who's your idol in badminton?
Okay, who's your idol, favorite idol?
Vincent Jaya? Vincent Jaya?
No.
Okay.
Ginting.
Yeah.
Oh, Ginting.
Yes.
That's a strong guy.
Yes.
Okay. You know Taufik Hidayat?
Yes.
That's a legend, right?
Legend is backhand shoot.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah. That's my favorite.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go, let's go.
What about you, Raijan?
My first hobby is listening to music.
Okay, music.
I love songs with very meaningful lyrics. I am especially curious about any kind of technology, and I have a truly professional capability in building and maintaining cloud infrastructure.
Okay.
Managing virtual system is an intense, rewarding challenge that I master well.
Okay. So you like listening to music?
Yes.
Okay. What kind of genre do you like?
You know Bob Dude?
Oh, I know. Pop Dude.
Tensi.
Tensi, let's go.
Okay. That's so fun. Okay. That's good. Okay. Now we move to the second topic. Why did we choose our major? By the way, our major is Information Technology at Telkom University Jakarta.
Yes.
For me, why did I choose this major? Because honestly, I've been interested in technology since I was in elementary school. I realized over the years that I had to continue.
Like your
First,
question.
yeah, I had to continue this passion. So I decided to major in this field. On top of that, I'm particularly fascinated by IT infrastructure. It feels like the perfect way to turn my childhood interest to professional skill set.
That's cool. That's cool.
And I don't know, why did you choose this major?
Yeah, honestly, I chose this major because I have always been curious about computer, not just using them, but really understanding how they work.
Okay.
It's like wanting to know the brain behind the machine.
Okay.
Yes.
Right.
Plus, I have always felt that this major is the best foundation for what I want to do next.
So you have curious in computer.
Yes. Why the?
Since when?
Since like same elementary.
Elementary. Okay. So let's go. That's a good reason. And Fajar, what about you?
For me, I want to improve my skill and learn more about technology in the future.
Okay.
And I also want to continue my vocational school major, which is computer and network engineering.
Okay. So you continue from your vocational school to university. Okay. That's good. That's a strong reason. What about you, Raijan?
I choose this major because I am very interested in technology,
Okay.
especially security and data. This major will not make you bored.
Yes.
IT is an extremely dynamic field. There are always new things every day, from AI to cybersecurity, which keeps your brain stimulated.
Okay. Wow. Cybersecurity.
Yeah,
That's a cool job.
bro.
Okay, that's cool. Let's move to the third topic. Our first week as a freshman. Like, what do we do in first week? For me, first week.
First impression, like
Yes, like first impression.
Yes.
Honestly, I've had to adapt to the university system, right? Which is very different from high school.
Of course.
It's very different.
Yes.
But socially, it's been so much fun. Like, I think I got lucky with a really cool classmates. You guys, you're so fun.
Okay. I understand.
And the lecturers are so great. They explain the material so clearly.
I agree that.
I don't know. How do you like how your first week in Telkom University?
Honestly, my first week is really enjoying it. I didn't expect it to be this much fun at Telkom University. It's definitely a hard shift from senior high school.
Okay.
But I love the vibe here, and honestly, I'm just really happy to have friends like you guys.
We're happy too.
Yes. Having a solid circle makes the tough assignment feel a lot lighter because we can just study together.
Yes.
It definitely motivates me to study harder.
Oh, it's great to hear. Okay, what about you, Fajar?
I think my first few weeks as a new student were a bit challenging, and honestly, I'm still adapting to the new learning system at this university.
Wow, you're still adapting.
Yes.
Okay. What about you, Raijan?
So far, I really enjoy it. The first few weeks were challenging because university is very different from high school.
Yes.
But I like the learning environment. I also learned many new things and meet new friends. It motivated me to study harder.
Okay. That's cool. So we have the same problem, right? Like we still have to adapting in the new environment.
Yes.
Okay. Finally, let's talk about our future careers. Okay. For me, looking ahead, my goal is to be an IT infrastructure professional. Like I want to be the one responsible for the backbone of technology, managing the servers, networks, and the system that keep everything running.
That's cool.
And Amrana, what career do you want in the future?
In the future, I hope to work in the cybersecurity.
Okay.
I want to help companies to protect their system and data from the cyber threats. I also want to continue learning, and I also want to continue learning and improving my technical skills.
So you interest in cybersecurity?
Yes.
Okay. That's a good future career. What about you, Fajar?
I want to work in the IT field, and I hope I can work at PT Telkom Indonesia.
PT Telkom Indonesia. University Telkom. PT
Yes,
Telkom.
Telkom Indonesia. Yes.
Okay. That's cool. What about you, Ryan?
I hope that in the future I will be part of the Vanguard
Okay.
program in the Information Technology Department, which is responsible for providing direct technical assistance to user and username. The operation of the device and system runs smoothly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. So you want to be vanguard, like defender? Okay.
Yes.
That's cool job. That's cool job.
It's cool, man.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for sharing your hobbies, interests, and talent.
Thank you.
So it was very interesting to hear your future career, about your first week at Telkom, and then why did you choose your first our major information technology? Okay. Thank you everyone for listening our podcast, our first podcast.
Yes.
Yes.
First time.
Yes.
Oh my god. Okay.
Very first time.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. See you
See you
next time.
next time.